So I feel like instead of having that tunnel vision of GCSE, A-level, we have to think about, as parents, is my children, like your daughter says, is my child or are my children grateful, nice, well-mannered, good kids? And, like you said, the Salah time comes and they go to pray. Ramadan comes, they fast. How much grateful we should be. Just think about it, because there's so many people who don't.
Father role versus mother role.
Mm-hmm.
How does Islam tell us about it? What the responsibility of the mother and the father?
The father and mother, they should be on the same page. If they have rapport with each other, mutual understanding, what is their goal in life? I remember before marriage, I did this course about marriage. Who should you get married to? What sort of a person? And the Sheikh was saying to us that if your goal is that you want to reach Jannah, then you want to meet somebody who's going to help you to go towards Jannah.
Best age to start teaching kids namaz, salah?
7. That's Hadith says.
Best Islamic book for parents?
Yeah, the Quran. And actually, I know what Quran is Quran. Obviously, we know, yeah? But Seerah. I would highly recommend, if, your audience can take one thing from this today, please start reading Seerah.
If you could give just one piece of advice to Muslim parents, what would it be?
Just be hopeful. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. Husn al-Khatima, inshallah, for all of us.